my fidget package finally came. I ordered it a few days ago, so let's go get it. So we are gonna go get it. Let's go to the front door. Sorry, it's dark. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys! It's actually came. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh man, that's what it looks like. Let's go check it out in my room. Alright, so the fidget package came. I'm so excited. I can't even believe that it came. Alright, so let me get some scissors. Okay, and it says to cut right here, like this. So, wait, look at this, like a simple dimple. I think that's maybe a mini poppet and a poppet. It says fidget blind bag. I'm so excited. There's a rare, uncommon, and common. So, yeah, let's go. Get the first peek. Okay, let's open up the first thing. Oh my gosh! Oh, this one has a tag. Here, let me take it off. So, this is a mini pineapple poppet. Let's check what the back says. Okay, so this was its tag, and it is a common, but that's really, really cool. Okay, now let's check the next thing. I got a tingle. Oh my gosh, guys, I got a tingle. This is so good. It's so pretty too. And it has this tag. What's up on the back? It's an uncommon. Ooh, cool. Alright, now let's get the next thing. Oh my gosh, they're blind bags. I think those two just had tags because they can't fit in a box or something. There's dimples in this one. Oh my gosh. There's this snowman simple dimple and this fidget spinner dimple. It's actually really good. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So it's a common. So these are the fidgets that we've gotten so far. We've gotten a tingle, a mini poppet, a simple dimple, and a fidget spinner dimple. And oh, look at this. Okay, let's open up this small one. It kind of feels like hard. Okay, let's cut it. That was. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. I got a small dimple. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And the praise are so clear. Pretty. It's a rare, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a rare. Oh my gosh, it's the last biggest one. I have no idea what it is. It kind of feels like a poppet. I don't know. Oh my gosh. It's an elf poppet. Oh my gosh, I've always been wanting one of these. Here, let me pop it. It's actually really good. Okay, ready? Set, let's listen. The colors are so pretty. Overall, this was so amazing, and I hope that I will get another fidget package from them again soon. And I got so many good fidgets. I got a fidget spinner dimple, which I've always wanted one of these, because the other one that I have, it's really, the pops are good, but the fidget spinning is really, really bad. So these, my new simple dimples. I'm so excited about these. My mini poppet, I kind of like it. It's not the best, but there are little there are little indents of pineapples on both sides. It's really good. I really like the texture of the pineapples. And then I got this knockoff tingle because I have this other tingle. It's on my keychains right now. And this Tangle, you can see there is the Tangle logo. And on this one, there is no Tangle logo. But there is a real Tangle like this. And it's actually really good. And then I got this Poppet, which was a rare. Oh my gosh, this is so good. And I love this so much. And it's a cute little elf. Bye!